Hello, traders, and welcome to tradingwithbill.com on a Thursday, June 29th, 2017. Traders, great to be with you. Coming to you from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue, sunny skies, warm, absolutely gorgeous today. Coffee on the balcony, absolutely wonderful. Yeah, I spent like the last 15 minutes out there just getting my thoughts together, getting ready for another trading day. Really, really nice, I have to tell you. Just absolutely gorgeous. The Gulf of Thailand is like crystal blue today. It's beautiful, just beautiful. All right, good to be back with you. The markets are the markets, and that's all we can say. The markets are the markets. We gotta play the tune, right? We adjust to the markets. The markets surely do not adjust to us. Let's take a look at what's going on in the news today. There is some news today, but I have to be honest with you, there's nothing big. Well, there's GDP out of the U.S., but nothing that's really going to shake the charts, I don't think, today. So let's get to it. New Zealand had, business confidence today came out at 24.8. Last time was 14.9. No expectations, so really a non-rated news event. We have, in the Eurozone, we got GFK, German consumer climate today. We have Spanish CPI today. HICP out of Spain today. A lot of low impact data today. We have German CPI month on month also today. And the big one, of course, is GDP quarter on quarter out of the U.S. today in the U.S. session. And that's an hour before the markets open. We also have our initial jobless claims, as we do. And that's about it, folks. That's about it. Going into Asia tomorrow, we got building consents month on month for May coming out of the Kiwi first thing in Asia tomorrow. So that's what's going on there. Let's take a gander at our indices. Okay, S&P 500 futures is positive 0.19%. Nasdaq futures 0.16 in the green. Dow in the green 0.68. S&P futures VIX negative 9.13. DAX is negative 0.19. And the Nikkei 225 is positive 0.45. Dollar index is negative 0.21. Now the dollar index is at 95.57. It doesn't help your dollar pairs when your dollar index is at 95. It just doesn't help. Euro index is up 0.19%. All right, let's take a look at our commodities today. Gold is up 0.33% at 1,253.18. WTI crude is at 44.80. And Brent is up to 47.59. Oil squeaking its way up a little bit every day, a little bit. Natural gas is up 0.29%. U.S. coffee is down 0.45%, as U.S. cotton is also down 0.13%. Talk about a little bit of futures. All right, that is what is going on. Let's get to the charts, my friend. Let's take a look. Well, we'll take a look at. We'll just go around the horn here. I do have a pair for the day. Here's your euro. Ignore all this stuff on the left. But here's your euro. It's just bouncing up there. Not a lot we're going to do here, folks. Just leave this alone. Really, just leave this baby alone. Nothing to do here. We'll just leave it. No trade plan, no nothing. And it's been sideways for a very, very long time. Let's take a look at the pound. Pound seems to be the story of stories. So it kicked up here late in New York, looks like, and then now we're sideways. We've been sideways all in Asia. Now it's bumping a little bit to the upside. Nothing. I mean, listen, if we come up to resistance, it's a sell opportunity. But I surely wouldn't buy here. It's not a position to buy here. Even though we do have angle and separation with the exponential moving averages. Here's a 200. Here's the 20. Here's the 5. All moving to the upside. So nothing to do here. This is just a wait, okay? All right, so let's take a look at the beast. This was my pair for today. Not big stuff here. It's at the D wave. It's been sideways, for a long time. We want to get down to this 144.90 area. We'll take it short to 143.20. It's over 100 pip trade. if we can get some movement here. But the pound is getting a little strong the last couple of days. So we're really doing a strong against strong trade here, which is not good. We always want a strong versus weak or weak versus strong. And here we got a strong and strong. So my thought in this is that the pound's going to get weak at some point, and the yen will remain strong, and we can take this to the downside. And if it continues up, my friends, we'll just let it go, right? Just let it go, and we'll get it at the next level, right? Levels are so important in Forex, price levels, and we'll just wait for the next price level, and we'll take it from there. Let's take a look at the Aussie. Aussie's done some interesting work. Take a look at that. And, no data, but this just take a bump up here. So we're back up to 76.60 on the Aussie, and nothing to do here, folks. Absolutely nothing. You don't want to buy here, and I'm not against buying, but you don't want to buy here, right? You're coming up to resistance. This is not the place to buy. But we'll keep an eye on it, see if it makes a turn to the downside. All the EMAs are below price. All the EMAs are below price, so don't want to do a thing here, okay? Just leave it alone. Let it do its thing. Here's a euro yen. Pretty quick today on our summary today. Look at these candles. Look at these candles. Nothing. No vigor in them. No energy, right? They're just bouncing around here. Not a lot going on here, folks. Nothing to do here sideways. No price action. We need to see this either pull up or really take a dump to the downside before we can even think about taking a trade. There is no trade plan here. Absolutely none. Don't do a thing. Probably we're not going to see anything here till Wednesday. Remember, next Tuesday is a New York holiday, U.S. holiday, as it is the 4th of July. All the markets are closed. All the banks are closed. Everything is closed for 4th of July in the United States. All right, so that's our currency pairs. I don't think we really missed anything. Take a look at the dollar yen. I expect that to be bearish. And, it's come up. It's hit this, resistance area. Now it's come down. Doing nothing. Absolutely doing nothing. Just hanging out there, not doing a thing. So we'll just get out of that. I'm thinking about taking off the ABCD on these charts. There's too much on this chart. I just don't like it at all. I like the patterns. I like to see them, but I think we're going to be taking them off. All right. So that wraps up our charts today. Traders, have a great trading day. Remember, tomorrow is Friday, and there is no video. We will be back on Monday, and of course, we will not be doing a video on Tuesday, as all the markets will be closed in the U.S. Traders, have a great trading day. Always remember to trade smart and not hard. Keep the emails coming. Keep the comments coming, and we'll catch you next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.